Close the valve on the external CO2 cylinder. Use the supplied tool to loosen the supply line and remove. Do not discard the washer. Remove the CO2 cylinder from the stand. Place a full CO2 cylinder into the stand. Remove the safety cap from the inlet. Install the nylon washer in the supply line before attaching to the CO2 cylinder. Attach the supply line to the CO2 cylinder. Use the supplied tool to tighten the supply line. Open the valve on the external CO2 cylinder. Set the external pressure regulator to 120 psi if needed. The water filter should be changed after 6 months of use. Shut off the water supply line to the dispenser. Turn the water filter cartridge counterclockwise to remove it from its mounting bracket. Install the new water filter into the mounting bracket by turning clockwise until it is hand tight. The new water filter cartridge should be flushed with at least 5 gallons of water before turning the supply line back on.